I have some wonderful friends here with me, which is like Telangana State CI MSME team. So I want to introduce you to our friends and my CI MSME team friends as well. So here I have chairperson Pravina Tota Garu, who is a woman entrepreneur herself and supports a lot of women entrepreneurs, and then she is a person whom we can go to for any kind of help or any kind of entrepreneurship for the women. Ma'am, please.
Hello everyone, happy Friendship Day, and we are so excited to come here. We are from Confederation of Indian Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. I am Chairperson Telangana, and our team is here. And like from our council, we thought every month we'll choose one business, and we'll be visiting that store, and we'll create an environment of having one person, one business will support others' business. So with that, we are here today.
Yes, that's a very beautiful thought. So as this initiative, it has started at Plana Plant, and I'm very happy and very excited that they have come to our store here today.
Yeah, Devanjani is part of our council SDG Sustainable Development Goals vertical, because she's working on sustainable development, because eco-friendly products is one among them, and Plana Plant is really a good, because nowadays people are moving on to plastic, and we forgot the actually roots. We are forget about plastic, and we are even replacing the plant, which need to be done, which not be given a thought at all, because we should think of the benefits and then put a plan inside. So I've seen this, I'm so happy. I'm also Women in Vision founder, where Women in Vision for Entrepreneurship. I talk about ecofeminism, where women always think about the nature. I'm so excited because Devanjani's Plana Plant is about women, and she's a women entrepreneur, and she's even supporting women entrepreneurs, because she's giving all this because what is made of
yeah, this is a sabai grass planter, and this is a handmade pot which is done by underprivileged women. So by giving this, we want to show an opportunity to even underprivileged women, so that they can earn some livelihood from such kind of small articles. So we buy pots from them, and then we sell it online from our website www.planaplant.com.
And when you talk about Ganesha, because August is for Ganesha, and they have beautiful seed planting. Can I know more about that?
Yes, it is a plant Ganesh. So it is like pure clay Ganesh idol, and then it is made of it is packed with healthy soil mix and a self-watering pot which has a seed in it. So basically we use POP Ganeshas and then do a Visarjan at nearby lakes. So instead of doing that, so by not doing that, we are saving the lakes. So go for a clay Ganesha and have a Visarjan at home, and then you get a beautiful plant out of it. So during this pandemic, you need not go outside, and then you need, this is a pro-environment product, because lakes are being saved, environment is being saved, and you yourself are being saved by not going out and being at home and doing Visarjan. And trust me guys, it is very easy to order also. Just order it on our website, and then you get it home delivered.
And one more thing to add on is we have a sentiment, right? Our God, our Lord, our home. So our precious thing, the puja we have done for 9 days, and our God is at our home, and we are getting plant out of it, and which would be it's in the tulsi or some. So
yeah, it's a vegetable plant.
Vegetable plants as well. So that satisfaction would be there, and we have other team also with us. In general, here Saurabh Sureka, and we have come to visit the plant. Yeah, over.
Yeah, hi everyone. Thank you, Divya, for inviting us. Plana Plant, as you have already seen and you already know, that Plana Plant is an amazing initiative. To be honest, it's been 2 years I have been trying to visit them. Today, Divya has made that possible. That is because of the wonderful plants that they do, right from miniature plants to all kinds of plants. Eco-friendly initiatives are not completed without plants. And now this is their flagship product, which is Plana Plant Ganesha. This is Plant Ganesha. So now you have Ganesha all year round at your home itself. So after the Ganesha festival, you do the Visarjan at home, and you have a plant all the year round. So this is one initiative which has obviously it has gone crazy and wild everywhere. They have been the trendsetters. Many people have been inspired by their trend. Even the Prime Minister of India has appreciated them. So this is something which is really, really good. We are happy, we are glad, and we are blessed that we know Divya, we know Plan a Plan. Thank you.
And we also have Sujana Kumar with us, and she is a W Coordinator Vertical President for Rangareddy District. And please.
Hello, good evening and happy Friendship Day. Thank you, Divya, for having us here. It's a lovely place. I really like the ambiance of this place and the lovely, what I see here is some very good gifting options. Instead of going out and spending your money on others, gift people a plant and they will thank you for always. They'll be there on your desk, in the home to decorate and give you life. So what else can anybody need? Thank you.
And when it comes to like they have been here, what are the plants, Tanisha? So yeah, last year also you had it, right?
We are here since 2017.
Wow. So 2017, and after what is the really, are we getting the plant or not is a big question mark. So whereas they have a lot of reviews and he asked us to use it and we could enjoy the plant. That is also one more aspect I thought of mentioning. We have Soumya here, and she is Joint Secretary MSME Growth Vertical. Yeah, what is it?
Hello, this is Soumya. I'm Director of Nivina of this private limited also, and great opportunity from CMSME to visit this plant store. So I have seen a wide range of plants. So definitely women like plants and flowers. Here you can see different kinds of flower plants and interior beautification plants, and including God plant also. So as our senior said, so plant Ganesha is one of the best plant I have seen. With the seed you can grow your plant entire year. You can your God will be with you, and that is a very nice plant. And other plants are also seen the different variation of plants I have seen. So it's very nice. I wish you all the best to Divya. So thank you.
And so we have different pots. That is a beauty, and ceramic, and we have what is made of it?
Fiber and bamboo.
That one.
Bamboo.
Oh, that's really nice actually. That gives a thought of olden days, ancient days, like the pots we would have.
Yes.
And so we have Sakiredi Garu, who is our MSME Growth Chairperson, Telangana, and
Hi. Nowadays, everyone is choosing interiors, both offices as well as domestic. So, in part of interiors, a lot of plywoods and the chemicalized stones and a lot of veneers. These are, of course, giving the beautiful, but it's a chemical base. It is giving a lot of pollution to the home as well as offices. The trees, the plants which if you are installing home, it will give a very beautiful and nature, and it gives a lot of oxygen, which is very much helpful rather than harmful. Wish you all the best to Plan a Plant, to Divya. Wish you all the best.
so she has a very innovative idea, and so our director exports will be talking about a bit about Planet Plant. So how did you like the plants, Sandeep? Because these plants we see people, because we come from IT industry.
Yes.
So there we would be seeing a lot of plastic plants. But nowadays, like even in IT, we have been seeing computers and we are just distracted. I think so. Looking at plant also helps. What is your idea about it?
It is saving the nature and giving good air and eco-friendly. And nowadays, the climate change is happening. So we need to grow such a kind of trees to save the environment and nature. So we need to encourage plant company to promote their products.
And one more thing, and after seeing for some time the computer, we have to look at the green, right?
Yes.
You said something, there's a concept, right?
Yeah.
So probably all your IT corporates should implement it, I guess. Because after seeing for some time, if you look at the greenery for a while, I guess, even that helps. So we all team can join us, and wishing you all the best. Please join, yeah. So,
If you see continuously on the screen, after certain time you will get the strain and you will get the taste. If you divert your side to some other things like green trees, you will get a lot of relief. So that if you can keep this kind of plants in offices as well as houses or even in for interior decoration purpose, these are highly useful.
and one table, how many plants it should be? At least two plants should be there, right?
For a medium-sized 3x3 table, it should be one plant, and if it is a bigger plant, we can go for two plants.
That's
Yes.
really nice. So,
On
from
the
CNS to
National Friendship Day also
Yes.
you can give plant, nice
Yes.
plants to your friends.
So let's give all friends.
Smile and happiness on their faces.
Yes.
All the best.
all the best, and let's bring all the friends to the house. Those are the plants.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.